Welcome back to our channel. On today's tutorial we are going to learn how to make a head turban. For the first step, you need to get your material. The material of 56 centimeters. We are using 56 centimeters. 56. I'm marking my 56 here. Cut your 56 centimeter. Then for the weight, we are using 9 inches. We use centimeter here. We use centimeter, 56 centimeter. Then use inches to measure the length here. 9 inches. And make sure the 9 inches is accurate. Going to make it to be very accurate. I use my scissors to cut. So from here to here we use 56 centimeter. Then from here to here we use 9 inches. So you still fold it again.
Please, where is the right side of this material and the wrong side? Let's see.
This side here is the right side and this is the inside. We mark X here. Then you double it again. You can see you double here and you double here. So you turn it. The place that is open, you can see it here. Then you close it. After closing, you use your tape. You use the measurement.
How many inches did you use? You measure
6 inches. From here to here is 6 inches. Mark inches. Then use 1 inches here. 1. Make it slide here. And from here, you make it a little bit bendy. This end. See it here. Same thing. Make sure it's accurate. Then you use a needle and tack it. Use your scissors and cut exactly. After cutting this way, then you open it back again. You can see it's giving you this side and this side. Then you fold it again. Make sure it's accurate. Fold it. After folding, then you fold again. So you see, it's still giving you this side. Then use your scissors and cut this place. Also use and cut this side. Then you open it back again. So see what you do here. After turning it, then I will mark here. I'm going to sew here. Then I'll start from here too. And don't forget, as you are sewing, this is the outside and this is the inner part here. So since we are sewing from inside, we turn it. You have to be very careful and watch it when you are turning over. I marked X here. Also mark X here. So that when I will sew here, from here to here, I will sew it. I will also here, sew here. Then I will leave a hole of 2 inches. After sewing those round places, so this place you measure 2 inches here, from here to here, 2 inches. So you leave a space here. But this place you continue, you sew here round, you sew it round, continue here, here too, and here too. So after sewing here, after sewing around, as I told you, we are going to sew here. You leave this opening here, you can see it. Then you turn it like this. Open it. You can see here, this place. We also sew here and we sew here. Likewise, we also sew here. We also sew here and sew here. Sew the outside. So after sewing it round, don't forget that 1 inch opening that you left, so you can see it here. So use it and turn it here. You turn it gradually. This is the middle here. You can see it here. This is the opening. Then you use your needle and thread. Use your needle and thread, exactly sew it. You can see it's already closed. That's the end of our tutorial. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, share and make your comments.